everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, we are going to go over the tap step called the buffalo. So to start, the buffalo tends to start with your foot in front so that you can get prepared to jump onto it. So to show you that from the front, your foot will come in the front and get ready to jump onto it. Okay, so right foot's up in front of our left foot. You're going to jump onto your right foot. Okay, and a jump is just where you're transitioning. You're switching between one foot to the other. So right foot starts, you're going to jump. You're going to shuffle on your left. Don't put your weight on that shuffle. You're going to leave it up. And then after the shuffle, you're going to jump back onto your left foot from your right and reposition your right foot to begin again, to start your buffaloes again. So starting on your right foot again, prepping in front of your left, jump onto your right, shuffle, jump back. And that's as simple as it is. That's the buffalo right there. So let's do a few in a row. These tend to move you side to side. Whichever foot you're jumping onto is the side that you'll be moving to. So if you're jumping on your right foot, you're moving to the right. If you're jumping on your left, you're then moving to the left. So buffaloes on the right. Let's do a few going to the right. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done. All right, let's try some on the left side now. So same thing, but now your left foot is positioned in front of your right foot, ready to jump onto your left foot. Here we go. Then you're going to shuffle right, jump back on your right. Okay, so again, it's jump, shuffle, jump. Good. Let's try a few in a row. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done. Let me show you the forward-facing view now. So right side again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. And like I said, these move you in the direction that you want to go. So whichever foot you jump onto is the way that you're going to be moving. So let's try some on the left side now. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now let's try to speed them up a little bit. So for a more intermediate or advanced level, you would speed up the shuffle. So instead of going 1 and a 2, you would go 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Okay. So starting on our right foot, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try some on our left as well. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. As you can see, when you start moving faster and trying to do them a little bit more advanced and faster, the foot doesn't come as much as exaggerated in the front. So once you start getting faster, you might start losing that exaggeration in the front. That's perfectly fine. So let's try some on the right foot, forward facing. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. And left side, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, nicely done. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.